In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Semrush to beat your competitors in paid traffic. If you're looking to gain the upper hand in your digital marketing strategy, look no further. We'll walk through using Semrush, a powerful data-driven marketing tool, to uncover insights into your competitors' strategies and ultimately drive more traffic to your site. First, let's start by heading to the Semrush website. Semrush is packed with an extensive suite of tools designed to help your business grow through data-driven marketing. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a login option on the top right corner. Click on that to enter your credentials. Now, it might seem straightforward, but it's a critical step to get you accessing all the rich features that Semrush offers. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Semrush homepage. This is your central hub for exploring all of their marketing tools. Here you'll find everything from keyword research to competitor analysis. For today, we're zooming in on how to outmaneuver your competitors with paid search traffic insights. Now, draw your attention to the left-hand sidebar and find the SEO tab. Semrush has an impressive suite of SEO tools, but don't be overwhelmed. We're focusing on a specific slice today. Click on that to delve into deeper layers of data analysis. Once you're in the SEO section, look for organic research and click on it. This might sound counterintuitive when we're talking about paid traffic, but bear with me. Organic research is a crucial starting point because it helps you understand the foundation of your competitor's online presence. After selecting organic research, you'll want to navigate to the overview page. The overview page is essential. It gives you a bird's-eye view of how your competitors are performing organically, which sets the stage for understanding where they might be compensating with paid search. Next up, we focus on the prize: paid search. Click on Paid Search Traffic. This is where you'll get insights into how much traffic your competitors are buying, and crucially, the keywords they're targeting for PPC campaigns. Understanding this can illuminate gaps or opportunities in your own strategy. Maybe they're neglecting a keyword that you can capitalize on, or perhaps they're investing heavily in an area you hadn't considered. By following these simple steps, you're equipped with a strategy to improve your paid search performance. Semrush provides deep insights that, with careful analysis, can lead to a more competitive edge in the ever-evolving landscape of digital marketing. That's it for today's guide on using Semrush to beat your competitors in paid traffic. With these insights, we're sure you'll be on your way to refining your marketing strategies and driving more traffic to your site. Thanks for joining, and see you next time.